Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to present in Google Meet. This is a new update for 2020, so it might look a little bit different than it did in the past. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys two different ways that you can do this. One is if you're joining a meeting and you want to start presenting immediately. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then I'll show you as well as if you want to join the meeting with just face or audio chat for a little while and then present later on. So two different ways. You can go ahead and just paste the link to join the meeting right here and just click on join. And then right when you click on join, you'll be given two options, one to join immediately and then one to present. So if you're looking to present right away, just go ahead and click on present. And then it'll bring up this box right here where you have multiple different options to share your screen. You could do application windows, your entire screen, or certain Chrome tabs, totally up to you. Once you figure out what you want to present, you can just click on that and then just click on share. And what that's going to do is it'll share this window with the people in the meeting. And then you can, whenever you're done doing that, you can click on stop presenting, and then you'll stop presenting in that certain scenario. Once you exit the call here, we'll just go back to the main screen. And then if you're looking to join in a meeting and you just want to start with your face and then later on present, you just want to click on join again. And then this time you want to click on join now. Once you're joined in the meeting and you want to start presenting, then you would go down to the bottom here and just click on present now in the bottom right corner. And then you could decide here again if you want to share your entire screen, a window, or just a Chrome tab. You will then click on the corresponding thing and then decide which one you want to share. And then just click on share, and then it would start to share. Really, really simple. I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you guys how to present in Google Meet. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.